Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Cocos Hana On-Hole Real Hips Masturbator. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the masturbator itself, the Hana Real Hips Masturbator. It's a very realistic design and very big as well, so we would not recommend this for a beginner. We'd recommend this for a more advanced or more experienced user in masturbators. Now you can enjoy a very realistic experience with the Hana Real Hips Masturbator. It's modelled after a real model, so every detail has been thought of. It features a skin texture which is very soft and smooth, but also feels realistic. It also features a realistic soft labia and anus, and even a G-spot as well. There are two shafts, one in the anus and one in the vagina. Each shaft features a stimulating texture of ridges and nubs for penis stimulation. The material itself is also made of TPE and heats up quickly during use, so even more fun sensations during use. And thanks to the flat bottom, you can place it on any flat smooth surface and begin to enjoy your fun. We would always highly encourage you to use a water-based lubricant both in the shaft and on your penis for optimal comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Cocos Hana On-Hole Real Hips Masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.